Good day, everyone. Good day, ma'am. My name is Ferdinand Pami Patinya. Um, I live in Purok Bunyang Village, Tilahit Andag City. Uh, 20 years old. My dreams soon will be the part of the Bureau of Fire Protection. And then I choose criminology because I believe this institution or this course may help me to pursue my dreams. And then, what are my short-term and long-term goals? My short-term goal is to be successful in my study right now, while and my long-term dreams is to be soon a future registered criminologist in St. Teresa College of Tandag Incorporated. So, leadership and decision making. Describe a time when you have to make an important decision. What are my values guide or my decision? When I decide what to choose, first is I need to check if my decision is good or great, and then I think of it twice or thrice para kibali ma-verify if okay ang ako decision, waray mali, i-double check, triple check, kay ano dabe kita tao da. So, dapat kayo we check very carefully each of our decision to make it straight to our ambition or dreams. What quantities do you admire in a leader? What kind of leader do you hope to become? Ang gina-admire kayo recently or per me is a good heart, good decision making, non-bias, and then good to the kanang pangkatibok ang kauban. Kaya nga naman kay bisan no pa kita ka lang pa mahibaw, oo mahibaw na kung waray kay imo batasan, waray imo proper etiquette, proper na communication or communication skills, wala gihapon. So kung isa ka leader, dapat kid kabaw ka sa mga katangian niya o kabaw ka kung unhon pag manage nan isa ka butang, labi na kung ikaw isa ka leader. Isip isa ka leader, dili do lamang yon kuan garbo. It is with a greater responsibility. So dapat imo gayud yon siya imo gid panindigan. So, what kind of leader do you hope to become? How do you respond when working with different personalities? If you could become a law enforcement professional, how would you serve your community? First, ang ako gusto na makita ko as a leader is makita na humble da. Yan, being humble. Next is kind. And then last is trustworthy. Trustworthy kay masaligan ng pagkatao. O dili daw kon sa work kundi sa iban sab na tao, makita ko nila as a safe person to talk to or to approach to. And then uno na ko pagresponde. Kabaw sa gid kita na ang tao is lain-lain. So dapat kita mag-adjust whenever a person is complicated to talk to or easy to approach or Pero as a law enforcement in law enforcer, I mean, as a law enforcer, first is we need to know what is communication skills is. So an communication skill is very essential, especially to law enforcers who are being capable to to interrogate with a person, different persons in our community. So amo yan siya. What motivates you to keep moving forward? What legacy would you like to leave? What message would you like to share with your future self? So, what motivates me to keep forward, to keep moving forward is first is my family. Second is the person who loved me the most. And then the third one is those person who believe that I can do it with myself and with my skills and etc. So they believe in me not because they are my sibling, my lover, or their friend. So they believe in me because they have trusted the most important thing in life, which is respect. And then kanang maduulan, maistoryahan, makoreksyonan, o amo ko na ako yung napagkatao dili yan based sa ako ha sa ila. So ako isab anak ko malaong sa ako future self is laban dagyapon ako nga di bisan ano na situation, laban dagyapon through help with God the Almighty. So that is all my introduction, ma'am. Thank you and God bless.